Depende yan sa liderato ng Senado, no? Kung gusto niya i-submit doon. But then, kung mag-submit siya, I will try to question him. Why are you submitting to ICC when in fact we do not recognize the jurisdiction of ICC? Bakit? What? Kung mag-submit ka tayo doon, that is tantamount to recognizing their jurisdiction over us. So, I would ask him, why? Why are you going to submit? Walang problema sa kanya. Pero sa akin, mukhang may problema. Kasi, yung nga, giving in to their request is tantamount to recognizing their jurisdiction over us. And our government is very consistent in declaring that ICC has no jurisdiction over us. So sana, although we are co-equal branch with co-equal branch of government with the executive, kung yun ang stand ng executive branch of government na hindi natin recognize, din sana yung legislative branch also will also follow the same line. That's my point only, ha. Hindi porke ako'y isa sa akusado doon sa ICC, gano'n ang aking stand. Pero tinitingnan ko lang from that point of view na dapat isa lang yung ating line, ating stand as far as foreign policy is concerned. And that we should take the cue from the President. Since sinabi ng President, being the chief architect of the foreign policy, sundin natin yung linya ng Pangulo. Oh, yun, pero tanungin muna niya kung for what purpose is that certified true copy for? Di ba? For what purpose? Sinong naghingi at para saan? Ha? So, dapat itanongin rin niya. Hindi lang porque mechanical tayo, certified na certified, na true copy yan, dapat magtanong rin tayo para saan yan dadalhin. Anong purpose yan? Anong gagamitan yan? At pag sinabing para sa ICC, dapat sabihin sana niya na no, giving this copy to ICC is tantamount to recognizing their jurisdiction over us. Wala akong worry. Ang akin lang is dapat synchronize tayong lahat. Pag sinabi ng Malacanang na hindi natin ni-recognize yung jurisdiction ng ICC, then hindi natin dapat i-recognize as a country, as a nation. So magkaisa tayong lahat. Hindi yung iba yung sinasabi ng Malacanang, iba yung sinasabi ng Senado. Di ba? Dapat magkaisa tayo. Ang habol ko naman dito is hindi tayo magbukhang tanga as a nation. Di ba? Yun lang akin. Sabi ni Senator Coco, maybe in the middle of November. Middle of November. Ha? Kahit na hindi siguro matapos ang budget, basta sabi niya, middle of November. Baka mamaya, ang budget namin, aabot pa yung December, di ba? So, pwedeng while the budget deliberation is going on sa plenary, meron kaming time naman na mag-conduct ng hearing in the morning. Hindi na siguro dahil nasabi naman niya lahat at natanong naman lahat ang gusto itanong sa kanya. Ayaw nga niyang umalis, di ba? Sabi niya, ayaw ko nang bumalik dito kay mahal na pamasahe. Dapat tapusin na natin ito. Sabi na ako ng mga senador, wala na kaming tanong sa iyo, sir. Pwede ka nang magpahinga.